1 minute exercise. Let's tap our bodies. Yes. So fun fact, when you tap your body, this is equivalent to you walking for 20 minutes, going for a run, or even jumping or dancing. Why? Because you are the one stimulating your body. As you're tapping, you're creating friction, heat, and more energy flow and circulation. Yes, great news to know, right? So this is great for everyone to do. And this is beautiful for you to do if you're at the office, if you're answering calls, if you are conducting errands. You can even do this as a family partner exercise. You can have your daughter or your grandson tap your back, or you could do the tapping. The healing goes both ways. So tap away, tap, 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 tap. You're almost there. Good job.